is about 11:30 right now, and yeah, my brother's car, what was wrong with it? You're the one who talks, I don't know that much about cars. Yeah, we're going to Grandma's house.
It just wouldn't start, so I had to go out there and jump it for him. And then they got, I don't know, 10 minutes away from the house. And
yeah,
then
they as in my brother and my sister. My sister's in town from college, and so they were going to church. And yeah, they called like halfway, as they were like halfway to church, and they're like, the car is heating up, like it's all the way on H, and the heat's not working in the car either.
so it turns out the previous owner of my brother-in-law's car didn't use antifreeze in the radiator, and temperatures dropped down to the teens last night. So the reason you put antifreeze in your radiator so it doesn't freeze. Anyway, so the other person must have put water, so it froze up, engine's overheating, heat doesn't work. So anyway,
So we spent like probably the last hour and a half trying to figure it out. He finally left his car at some parking lot. We tried towing it, but it didn't work because we didn't have strong enough straps. But yeah, that's what happened. And now we're finally on our way to Peter's parents' house to have some lunch and just hang out there all day. So anyway, Peter didn't get to do his hair. That's why he had some little, cap on. And then I seriously did my hair in 2 minutes time because we had to get out of the house. So anyway, that's what we're up to today. And oh no, the battery's flashing. So I don't know how much we'll be able to vlog because the battery's flashing and I forgot to charge it, but we'll see.
bye-bye. Hello, gorgeous, and Mr. Handsome.
Chipmunk face.
I got the grandma too.
Okay, go fix Grandpa.
Oh, that feels better.
BMW sports activity vehicles are the perfect combination.
What about the other one?
Space, dynamic power, and sleek design.
No, that feels
Truly is
fine.
the X, perfect for
Just my
every
knees.
occasion, so you can go wherever the fun takes you. BMW, the ultimate.
Oh.
X3 for as low
All
as
better?
Good. How did you learn that? Did you go to a doctor school?
Spanish audio provided by
You did? It's going right back. Red. And here it goes to the yellow. Oh my goodness. Just without hesitation, she's doing red. Yellow. Now green. Oh! I'm sure that's a goal.
So you go like this.
Not only was it well done, form and style. This is an award-winning.
Alright guys, so we are back home for the day, and it is around 8:30 right now. We just had a relaxing day with the family again. That's what we usually do on Sundays, is usually eat lunch and spend the whole day just with family and play games. And we watched or attempted to watch Home Alone, but I think everybody fell asleep watching it just because we were all so tired. So that was fun. We got a 2-hour nap in this afternoon, and I don't know, what else did we do other than the crazy morning that we told you guys about?
Besides the crazy morning, yeah, we just ate lunch and played a game, a board game called Munchkin. It's pretty fun. I don't know if you guys heard of it, but that was fun.
It's a lot of reading. I feel like I'm reading paragraphs of things every time I pick up a card. But anyway, if you've ever played Munchkins, you probably know what we're talking about.
Yeah, it's fun.
Pretty fun. Yeah.
So, anyway, didn't realize how inappropriate Home Alone is for little kids.
I know.
So
we always loved it, but now watching it, like some of the things the kids say on there, I'm like,
No.
oh no, I don't know if I want Edith watching these things
a lot of the
quite
kids.
yet. Yeah.
So, anyway, kids don't watch that one.
Yeah, so we didn't finish it because Edith woke up from her nap, and yeah, there was just no way. But yeah.
Besides that, low key, Edith was running around playing games, running around the house, jumping, singing, dancing. So it was fun.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean that's really it. Nothing exciting.
Yep. So you guys really didn't miss too much, because we didn't vlog too much today, just because we've basically done nothing but slept and ate and played games. So anyway, yeah, that is it, I guess.
Yeah,
that is
that's it. We'll see you guys.
We hope you guys enjoy our vlogs here. Like I said again, we just love doing these just because, I mean, our kids grow up so fast, in the blink of an eye, and we just want to capture all of these memories, for, you know, when we're old and stuff like that, honey.
Kind of bring the age
Where's
thing
your
up.
old face? Like Carrie said. But anyway, yeah, we will see you guys in tomorrow's Vlogmas video. Can you guys believe Christmas is next weekend in exactly, what, 7 days? Is that
7
what it
days.
is? 7 days. Oh my
Yeah,
goodness.
it's nuts.
So yeah, we still didn't get our Christmas shopping done. We haven't done any of that, but
We'll do some of that.
yeah, we are excited to take you guys along with us this week as we prepare for Christmas. So anyway, we will see you guys in tomorrow's Vlogmas video, and we hope you have a good night. Bye.